yeah, and hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Totally Tundra. Today I am finally posting my video where I tried the rag curls to achieve coils in my hair. Right now I'm showing you how I cut up a cotton t-shirt. Those who have been on my channel before have seen my wash days, or if you're new, I use t-shirts instead of towels on my head, and I thought that why not cut up a t-shirt, you know, for the rag curls. I also air dry my hair with a t-shirt wrapped around it to absorb the excess product and water. So right now I'm cutting strips here, and you can, I really didn't know how thick, how wide to make the strips. So they're going to be a few different lengths. I think 2 inches was the best, and I did get lint all over my shirt. So I shook them out, but I also popped them in the dryer as well to see if it can help with some of that lint. And my hair is rusty, crusty, dried, and yeah, I was still very pregnant here. This is back in August, so a wash day is definitely needed. And of course, for this dry hair, I am reaching for my niche. Whenever my hair is definitely dry and in need of some TLC, I reach for the niche. And of course, I'm going to be using a wrapping lotion, a foam as well. So I've seen this video on Chrissy. Chrissy got coils. I seen it on her Instagram. I watched her YouTube tutorial and I was like, that is so cute, I'm going to try it. I will link her video below for reference. But yeah, and I'm showing right here that my hair does not coil, honey. And I know that we have multiple textures in our hair, but it doesn't coil anywhere. If I do a twist, I might can get the very ends to coil, but I'm not getting a coil throughout my whole hair by using my fingers. And as always, I applied my leave-in in the shower, and here I'm just grabbing mousse, a good amount of mousse, and I'm going to apply it to each section prior to adding the rag to coil my hair. And I am going to secure the rag to my scalp with a clip that just, it allows it to be a lot more easier to apply. And here I'm actually 2-strand twisting my hair with the rag and my hair. That is muscle memory and not the right way to do it. You actually want to just wrap your hair tightly around the rag. Try not to leave any spaces unless that's the look you're going for. I am going to show this a few times. I'll speed it up, but I'll also show it slowly as well. And I found it easy to spread the cloth open really good prior to wrapping it to go upward, because you definitely want to make sure that you encase all of your hair within the rag, based off the tutorial that I watched. And the only one that I actually watched was Chrissy's, because I first saw this style on her Instagram, but I know there's tons of other videos out there that you can reference as well. And then you just take your clip off and you secure it and just tie it one time. I almost double knotted, and during the takedown process, I'm very glad that I didn't. I'm going to show this a few times, so I'm going to stop blabbing. So it has been about 20 hours since I finished the last one, and this is what I'm looking like. I did a total of 36, by the way. 36. I counted. I thought that I was only going to do 15. I had planned on, and maybe next time I will be more comfortable with doing them bigger. But remember, I don't have the hair texture that coils. So I was really wanting to get that coil out look. And I figured that if I did them smaller, I would definitely be able to achieve that. And I do plan on keeping these cloths because, I mean, isn't one of the benefits of using them? Using cloths is that they're reusable. You don't have to throw them away. So I'm just going to unwrap them. Ooh, looky. Okay, and then I saw that they would just, that doesn't make sense to me. Did they just do, what did they do? No, I don't feel like they did that. Okay, so I had to pull up Chrissy's video because I was like, what? I won't do it right. But here we go. Boom. And I messed this one up at the top. How can I fix it? Let me see. Do I just do this? Because I had started to pull them apart. But, ooh, wait, look at that. Yes. Okay. I can get excited now. Okay, let me do one the right way the first time. All right, and I'm glad. I almost thought about double knotting these. I'm so glad I did not. Because that would have been a mess. Ooh, all right. And it looks so sleek and shiny. I'm so glad I used a mousse because I hadn't thought about using a mousse. I don't know why logically this doesn't make sense to me that I am unraveling it this way and it's staying, but it is. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Y'all. That's quick. And then, cause this process is a little slower. I am so satisfied with how it is looking right now. Shout out to YouTube and all the beautiful natural ladies that just, this is not new, of course, but you know, inspiring us to try different things with our hair. Just because our texture doesn't naturally do something, I can't just grab my finger and start coiling my hair, doesn't mean that I can't achieve coils. So I am happy about this. I've always wanted coils. I've always thought they were pretty. All right, so I finished this part of my head and I'm loving it, y'all. I love the way it feels. Again, I've never seen my hair like this. So I just love them. Wish you could feel how smooth my hair looks. Look at that shine. Oh my goodness. Yes. Slowly gonna show you. You just untie it, that single knot at the top. Untie it. Then you find the cord that wrapped around, which will be this one. You just pull it, okay? Once it's all pulled, you'll know because it's no longer giving. And then you take this piece and you literally just hold the coiled part, your hair, in just the opposite direction. And it doesn't make sense to me, but if you take a look, this is what's happening. You're just taking the coil part out and it's like coiling onto itself. Does that make sense? All done, and oh my goodness, I love it. I love them. So glad I tried these. So this is the end of day 4 from me. So I wore them in this chunky state, and then in the middle of day 3 is when I separated just the back portion. And then I've done the sides and the middle today, day 4, middle of day 4. I'm really loving it. My hair is so soft. I did leave a section that I just have pinned back so I can show how I did separate it on camera, but I'm even liking it like with my natural edges. Like, I really love it. I'm literally just pineappling my hair at night and I shake it down in the morning. Let me show you one. Okay, let me do this one. So this is what my hair looks like, all taken out. I love them. I do. I love them. I love them. I love them. They're so light, so pretty, and so curly. My hair doesn't naturally make these type of curls, which is fine. I love how the natural hair community is just bringing up stuff and showing us stuff in different ways that we can style our hair to, you know, achieve different looks.